Hi guys, so basically today, this video is basically curly haircut. Stay in tune. My hair was much longer. It was like arm length. That's at least how it felt when it was straightened. Now it's got cut and it's super healthy. So watch till the end and subscribe. Thanks y'all. Bye.
Tomorrow I am getting a curly hair cut, trim, getting layers in. Person would see that my hair has just gotten a little flat at the roots. It used to be not like that. So on the side you will see what my curly hair.
At this point, you should be able to see what my curly hair used to look like. Process, I got layers in and 2 inches off, but more since she cut it shorter.
So right now my hair isn't totally like gotten back because it's still like, wait a second, you got like 3 inches off your hair. It's like, I don't know how to do this. So it has like much more like layers. I got layers all throughout my hair, as you can see. I definitely recommend a curly cut. You can see I used to like have it arm length. It felt like. Now it's like still getting used to it. Not as flat and it has more volume, but of how long it was and how I was like, I can't handle this anymore. And like it would just get under my arm and I'm just like, I can't do with that. Get more curly as time goes on, so subscribe if you haven't already. Updated on how this curly hair thing goes and if my hair gets any curlier, and I know it can and it will. So that will be an upcoming video as well as other ones and all that jazz.